It's a great way for you to generate income from anywhere. Many websites are trying to monetize affiliate programs. Affiliates need to stand out by finding creative ways to increase their visibility, engage users, as well as boost engagement across all channels. Internet users assess a variety of elements that are displayed on a website. These elements help to determine whether they interact with it. CPA publishers used to simply create content and make it available to the users. Content locking is a great way to get details from your audience, deliver amazing content, and not have any adverse effects on the user experience. Lemonad's team of experts in affiliate marketing works closely with top CPA publishers, so we are familiar with all the content monetization methods available on these platforms. This article will discuss CPA marketing and CPA content lock. We will also discuss the steps to create locked content and make money with CPA programs using this technique. CPA marketing. Let's first look at the definition of cost per acquisition, CPA, marketing before we get into more detail. CPA marketing, as the name implies, is a publicity strategy where advertisers, companies that want to promote products or services, work with affiliates, independent marketers, to generate leads and sales. Affiliates are paid commissions by advertisers for generating sales or conversions. This is the acquisition part of CPA. This option is great for both affiliates and advertisers, as the latter only pay when they get results, while the latters focus on developing a consistent method to achieve these acquisitions. CPA websites attempt to persuade users to take certain actions, such as exchange of content for an email address or other contact information, entering in a sweepstake, competition or giveaway, requesting a quote on a product or services, buying something, voting in a poll, downloading a piece of content, or. This is an opportunity for affiliates to use it to their advantage by implementing content distribution systems that lead to higher acquisitions. What is content locking? CPA website owners can use content locking to lock premium content on their websites. Websites that use traditional content locking offer access to premium content for contact information and/or an action, instead of asking for a subscription. You can create different guides for pet owners if your website is a CPA site about pet products. These can be downloadable PDFs, which are sent to users after they have completed a specific action, e.g., filling out a survey, poll, or entering their email address. The structure of a CPA agreement will vary depending on which network or advertiser you are partnering with. Keep in mind, however, that content locking is a process that website owners want users to take to unlock the content. The surveyor poll, as in the above example for pets websites, would be the locker that users can open by filling out. How to find a profitable niche for content locking. Content locking strategies take a lot of planning. It's not unusual for affiliates to choose evergreen verticals that don't suffer from seasonality. Inexperienced affiliates should understand that marketers all want to promote evergreen products. It's not easy to be noticed when you start with this type vertical. We recommend that you choose something mainstream, popular, and which you have some knowledge of. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Click on the link below to visit our website for more detailed information.